Ms. Heard, you've testified repeatedly that you were concerned about Mr. Depp's substance use during your relationship, right?
Yes, that's correct.
But you weren't concerned enough to stop using drugs and alcohol yourself, were you?
I did not use drugs when I was with Johnny, like in his presence, aside from the times I testified about with you.
We all know how Amber Heard repeatedly denied having alcohol problems when she was married to Johnny Depp. In fact, the Aquaman star tried to wiggle her way out when Camille Vasquez was trying to corner her with her alleged substance overuse. We all thought that was the end of the discussion, but recently, a video resurfaced and is gaining attention. Why? Well, it straight up exposed Amber and her alcohol addiction, which I bet would be hard to deny after watching this newfound evidence. Are you curious about what the video is all about? Make sure to keep watching to know more. Based on the trial, Johnny Depp's team tried countless times to make Amber admit to her substance abuse. Specifically, Camille and Depp's team presented tons of evidence to make the jury see how much of a drinker Heard was and that it was not only Depp who had problems with control.
So you never changed your own behavior to support Mr. Depp and his sobriety, did you?
I did a lot of changing to support his sobriety. I tried everything that I could possibly think of.
But you drank wine around Mr. Depp on a regular basis, correct?
I did drink wine.
Of course, Amber didn't admit any of that and beat around the bush when questioned about it, but she did admit to having drunk wine around Depp while the other was trying to sober up. That was the end of that discussion, and Amber was able to walk away without admitting anything more than that. Fans didn't like that, so they started digging around, and lo and behold, they were able to find a video that successfully exposed Heard's lie about her wine addiction.
It's not working. Why is it not? Is it story? I just have a heavy hand. Maybe you just need more. The solution I always have: pour more wine. It's half full. Should I put some in this one?
In the clip, you can see Amber having a lot of fun with her friends while holding a bottle of wine. Towards the end, she was heard saying, "The solution I always have, pour more wine in." Oh really? Is that something someone who blatantly denied drinking alcohol would say? I think not.
Miss Heard could very easily drink 2 bottles of wine per night.
Fans were quick to connect the dots and brought up Depp's statements about Heard's massive wine intake and how the actor would spend thousands of dollars just to keep up with his ex-wife's obsession with alcoholic drinks. Do I have to mention another statement from Johnny Depp's business manager revealing that she truly was an alcoholic during the course of Depp's and Heard's marriage? He admitted to paying more than $160,000 in bar tabs that were credited to Amber Heard in front of the court and jury. For those who are unaware, she received approximately 13 of those bottles at her 30th birthday party on April 21st, 2016, which also happened to be the day Depp experienced a serious financial issue.
So I leave PH4, I leave her in PH4.
And let me just stop. Are you sober, drunk? Have you been drinking?
Oh, rare occasions where I was sober. It was in the middle of the night. I was asleep.
There was also one instance during the trial when Whitney, Amber's sister, slipped an answer and revealed that her sister is indeed a heavy drinker. You really can't prevent this kind of slip from happening, especially when you're lying. Fans are outraged and point fingers at Amber for claiming that Johnny was the one who had drinking problems. One fan wrote, "And Johnny had a drinking problem. She's a liar and a bad one at that." Another commented, "The fact that she drinks wine like cows drink water is a well-known issue. Normal, relatively speaking. What kind of normal person likes this piss people drink by the glass? I drinks by the box." Well, that's a pretty accurate metaphor if you ask me, okay? That's it for today's video, and I'll see you on the next one.